Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the world of interior and exterior design to create a beautiful and inviting spaces. Today we are excited to explore the realm of cozy and aesthetic porch designs, a topic that celebrates the art of transforming your outdoor space into a tranquil space that reflects your style and personality. Your porch is an extension of your home, a place where you can unwind, connect with the nature, and enjoy the company of loved ones. From bohemian hideaways to rustic retreat, we have gathered a wealth of ideas to inspire you in creating a porch that exudes charm, warmth, and comfort. So let's begin this enchanting journey together and discover how to elevate your porch to a whole new level of coziness and aesthetics. A harmonious blend of nature and design. Aesthetic porch designs embrace the surroundings, natural elements, and seamlessly integrate with a thoughtful design choices. Start by selecting furniture and decor made from sustainable materials like wicker, rattan, or reclaimed wood, which not only add visual appeal but also contribute to an eco-friendly atmosphere. Enhance the coziness with plush cushions and throws, inviting you to curl up with a book or simply enjoy the fresh air. Intimate sitting nooks are very important. Create a intimate sitting nooks on your porch that encourage relaxation and connection. Arrange cozy chairs or day beds with soft weather resistant cushions and drape them with the billowy curtains for added privacy and charm. Accentuate the space with side tables, hold for your favorite beverages or decorative lanterns that cast a charm and glow to during the twilight hours. Embrace for the boho vibes. For a bohemian inspired porch, infuse a burst of colors and patterns into your decor. Play with vibrant rugs and embroidered textiles and eclectic throw pillows to create a lively and laid-back ambience. Hang dream catcher or macrame wall hangings to add a touch of mystic and spirituality. Surround yourself with potted plants and hangings greenery, turning your porch into a lush oasis of tranquility. Rustic elegance channel rustic elegance by incorporating natural elements like stone, distressed wood, and wrought iron. Go for earthy tones and muted colors that complement the surrounding landscape. A porch swing suspended from the ceiling can be captivating addition, inviting you to gently sway while enjoying the beauty of nature. Illuminate your cozy porch with enchanting lighting options that evoke a magical atmosphere during the evenings. String fairy lights across the railings or overhead to create a dreamy ambience. For a more rustic touch, place lanterns with candles around the space, providing a charm and flickering glow. All season comfort. Ensure your porch remains comfortable throughout the year with thoughtful design choices. Install outdoor ceiling fans to keep the air circulating during warmer months, and consider adding outdoor heaters or a fire pit to extend the usability during chilling evenings. Cozy throws and blankets also add warmth during colder seasons. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, having a cozy and aesthetic porch provides a much needed escape to unwind and connect with nature. Whether you are sipping your morning coffee as the sun rises or enjoying a peaceful evening under the stars, a well designed porch can become a space of serenity. By carefully curating elements like furniture, decor, and lighting, you can create a space that not only reflects your personal style but also fosters a deep sense of relaxation and tranquility. Embrace the beauty of nature and power of thoughtful design as you embark on this journey to transform your porch into a captivating outdoor retreat that will leave you enchanted and inspired. Congratulations, you have embarked on a journey to create a cozy and aesthetic porch that will become your outdoor heaven, a place where you can unwind, recharge, and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Remember to blend your personal style with the elements of nature and thoughtful design to craft a space that resonates with you and your loved ones. Embrace the versatility of aesthetic porch designs, whether it's a bohemian charm, rustic elegance, or a harmonious blend of both. We hope our ideas have inspired you to reimagine your porch into a serene and inviting retreat. Thank you for joining us on this creative adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow design enthusiasts. Happy porch decorating!